everybody, if you are a streamer like myself on YouTube or Twitch, I'm going to be speaking from Twitch because that is what I'm using. That's what I can use for an example for you guys. But if you guys like what the dashboard has for you, whether it be clipping yourself or maybe managing channel point rewards or throwing out an ad and you don't have that feature in OBS yet, did you know that you can do that? I'm going to show you how in this video. So if you're like me, you have been using OBS Studio, you've had your chat in there, you've got your information on who's followed you and stuff like that. Obviously all your OBS controls to manage your stream, but did you know that you can add any other browser URL into it to dock in anything you want from your dashboard on Twitch? I'm sure YouTube has the same features. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to jump over and show you on my OBS. Sorry for the crazy myself look, but I have made an entire profile up here. It drops down. I have made a recording profile, got rid of all my stuff from stream. So if you are streaming, you're going to have a lot more information, a lot more scenes, a lot more sources. You're probably going to have your chat over here like I still do. Like me, I have my follower information. If someone rated me, stuff like that's over here. But all of that can be done with Franker or better, whatever you choose to add now in the settings. You can look up over here in settings. If you come over here to stream, you can have better TTV and Franker face, and those will automatically add in those two things. But if you're like me, then you want to be able to control predictions or polls or clip something. I don't have a stream deck. Not everyone can afford a stream deck, but you can still do all of that in OBS using custom docs and not have to have your internet browser pulled up, minimizing it, going back and forth. I don't have enough displays to have everything all spread out evenly on its own. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to jump over. Here is my Twitch dashboard. And over here, you can see all my information. I got my activity feed and my chat. That is going to be put in when you allow better TTV and Franker face. But stuff like my reward request, I like to see that. That stuff, if your chat's going quick, kind of gets drowned out. And you definitely can't click off that you've completed them as you go, which is useful for me. So I don't skip anybody. And I don't have a stream deck and I can't clip. I can keep my delay going when in my OBS for stream for like getting clips like that. But that doesn't automatically save it to Twitch, which is a good way, one of the ways that they offer you to be found on Twitch. So it would be nice to clip some of those moments and not rely on people watching you to clip, because sometimes they don't clip even if you ask. So if you want to get these over to OBS, first step is to find whichever one you want. Let's say you want to get all these quick actions and you're going to pop out your screen. Over here, now you've got this nice little URL that you're going to copy, Control C, and then you can just exit out. That'll go back there. Now we're going to jump back over to OBS. So now that you're back over into OBS, you're going to go to your docs section. And in the docs section, you have the option. These are what is already in here with Franker and Better TTV. But you have the custom browser doc options. So in here, you're going to see what I already have for my stream, which I put in the quick actions for channel point redemptions, and I put in the reward request. So in your custom browser docs, you're going to see what I already have set up for my other profile for Twitch. And I have my quick actions, which is what we're doing right now, and my reward request queue for channel point redemptions. So all you're going to do is name it whatever you want. I stick with the same title, and then you're going to come over and paste that in. I can do another one. Let's do QA. I'm going to put the same thing in there, hit apply. Woo, and now this pops up on top of OBS. So I can come over here, drag it around wherever I want, and then you can still edit it from in here, change it how you want. I haven't noticed it changing it in my dashboard, but you're not going to need your dashboard up after you do all these tricks. So anything you want that's not in here, you can do straight from your display, from your dashboard into OBS, and you can move it around. I have mine for stream, like all tiny like this. I've got my activity feed over there. I've got my stream chat over here. I've got I even dropped down, this is where I put my queue down in here. Or no, it's actually right here. I moved it. But this is a super helpful trick if you are streaming and want to have everything on one screen, don't want things spread out across different displays. I found it. I didn't know you could even do it. And now I'm sharing it with you because it is the most helpful information. And I hope it helps you out. If you guys have any questions in the comments, let me know. If you want information on setting up profiles or setting up different scene profiles, because those are two separate different things. I can do an entire another YouTube on that. But don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not. I do all kinds of crazy, funny videos. You never know what you're gonna get. But if you subscribe, you'll get to see more. Throw a little comment in. Just, hey, thank you. I appreciate it. This is so helpful because that's how I felt. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic evening. Know if it's evening for you, but that's okay. It's fine. Bye.